Hello everyone and welcome back to another paywall.com tutorial. In today's episode I will be going over a new feature called Piracy Protection. So let's get started. Okay, so if you remember from the tutorial before, this is your dashboard. Now you'll see a couple of new things. What I'm going to focus on today is this paywall here. You'll see it has a tag called Piracy Protected. And so if you create a new paywall, what you can do now is you can toggle this on and off. This is Piracy Protection. And today I'm going to give you a demonstration of what that looks like. All right, so let's view this paywall that we've got Piracy Protected. Let's log in as if we are a member. And now as you can see, there's this very subtle hatching that's on the screen here. As you can see, the user's email is displayed here in the center. So this is not 100% perfect solution, but what this means is all the massive piracy that happens in regards to screenshots being taken or screen recordings and stuff like that, it's gonna be pretty irritating to someone who wants to try and do that to your course, for example, because their email is being displayed. And also there's this hatching that's going on as well. There's also a subtle message here, protected by paywall.com. And so this is a feature that you have the ability to turn this on and off. We have kept it at an opacity that we believe is just enough that it doesn't interfere too much with the experience for the user, but it is there. And we're happy to say that this feature can potentially prevent someone who intends to pirate your material there. Yeah, and so just for reference, I'm going to toggle this off just to show you the difference of what that looks like. I'm going to save the changes here, and now you can see it doesn't have that tag anymore. So let's view the paywall, sign in again. And as you can see, once you've toggled it off, whatever you put behind the paywall won't have this imagery on top of it there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. This is a glimpse of our new piracy prevention. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to help. All right, have a blessed day. Peace.
Paywall. Monetize anything.